In today's video, we're going to look at another update, very early days for Google Drive and how it integrates with Gemini. So let's jump onto the computer. Now here I'm in my Google Drive and you can see I have three folders, example 1, example 2, example 3. Inside example 1, there are two files and these files need to be moved. Now, the example today I'm going to give you is a deeper integration with Gemini where we can start using natural language to perform actions. Yes, creating things has always been very easy. So for example, I'm going to right-click, create a new folder and title this example 4. This is manually creating files. However, what this signifies is a very first look at a potential more agentic way of interacting with Gemini. So let's open up Gemini on the right-hand side. And as you can see, this is the alpha version. So it's very early days. There's lots of bugs still, and it can't do that much. But what it can do is it can give you a preview of what's to come. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's say create a new folder and then I'm going to say where to create this. I want this created in the Drive demo folder. So I'm going to select Drive Gemini Demo, create a new folder in that folder and name it. And I'm going to call it example 5. Let's go ahead and run Gemini. Gemini is now going to interpret that and it's going to create that folder for me. Now you can see here, it is going to create example 5. Does this take longer than manually creating it? Yes. But what this does is it gives you a glimpse of what will be possible in the future. See, in the future, we'll be able to say, create this folder named this, and that within those folders, as well as those and this and that. We will have a range of abilities that are all baked into Google Drive. In other words, we will save a lot of time. At the moment, creating a single folder is not very time consuming. Creating hundreds is. So what else can we do with this very early days alpha preview? We can move files. If you recall, we have these two files here and we need to move them. So I am going to ask Gemini to do that. Move files, and then I'm going to select the files. So we're going to add the files that we would like to see moved. We want this file and the second file moved into folder, and then we're going to say which folder to move this to. We're going to move it into example 4. So let's go ahead and let it run. There we go. It's going to move these files. Let's click on move. And what we will see is in folder 4, these files are moved into that folder. So a very early preview on a more agentic version of Gemini within Google Drive. Let me know in the comment section below, what might you use this for? Maybe not this early version where you can create a single folder and move some files, but what would you like to eventually be able to do with Gemini within your Google Drive? Let me know in the comment section below and let's start that conversation. Now, in order to get access to this early preview, you are going to have to be on a very specific Gemini edition. So at the moment, it's available to these editions right here. And I am sure that as they continue to develop it, it will become more and more powerful. I want to say a quick thank you to all our channel members and Patreon supporters. Thank you for making it possible. If you would like to join that growing community as well, find the links in the description below. On Patreon, you get these videos, additional files, all completely ad-free. And on YouTube, you get early access to all the videos. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.